Today, I'm going to talk to you about crocheting around a wire. This also touches on crocheting through two layers of crochet at the same time, or two different pieces of crochet work at the same time. I'm going to do both of those things right now at the same time. So I'm going to work through this layer of crochet work and this layer of crochet work. And I'm going to work around a wire at the same time. So to do that, I'm going to insert my hook into the next available stitch on the top layer, which is the same as this marked stitch. And I'm going to insert my hook under the wire and into the next available stitch on the bottom layer. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull that up through all those layers, yarn over, and complete a single crochet. Now that looks a little loose to me. I think I started with a loose loop, so I'm going to redo that. I'm going to insert my hook into the marked stitch on the top. I'm going to insert my hook into the next available stitch under the wire, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through, and that completes a single crochet. That's my first one. Then I'm going to continue into the next available stitch. It's always into the stitches under the wire with your hook. The wire is on top of the crochet work. And then yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through those loops to complete a single crochet around a wire. I'm going to try to show you a little closer. I know that I'm working in black, but I hope that you can see this. I'm inserting my hook into the next available stitch through both layers under the wire, yarning over, pulling that up, yarning over, and pulling that through those two loops. I've now worked 4 single crochets around the wire and into 2 layers of crochet work at the same time. When you're crocheting around a wire, that's usually because we want to reinforce the edge of the crochet work with wire, so that the edge of the crochet work is both supported by the wire, held up by the wire, and can be shaped by the wire. So for this, I'm completing a hat, and I want the wire to be in the edge of the brim the full way around the hat, so that the edge of the brim is sharp and tidy, so that I can position it to be altered or angled or curved if I want, but I can also make it flat. The wire gives a lot of positioning options, especially if you're going to be photographing your finished creation in creative ways. Wire can really help give you a lot more ways of doing that, a lot more freedom of creativity. So now I've worked 12 stitches along this edge, around the wire. I'm going to continue around the entire edge of the crochet work and encase the entire wire this way. So again, I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to insert my hook into the next available stitch under the wire, yarn over, pull that up. Already with that yarn over, we have a loop of yarn over the wire, holding the wire down, but now we're going to reinforce it by yarning over and pulling through those 2 loops. So now that entire stitch is worked around and encasing the wire. You can do this with thicker wire. This is, I believe, 2.5 millimeter wire. You can do it with very thick wire. You can do it with very, very thin wire. It depends on what kind of support you need from that wire. Since this is a full hat brim, I went with a slightly thicker wire. If I was doing a butterfly wing and the wing was smaller, I wouldn't need wire this thick. I would use more of a 16 or 18 gauge wire. Maybe a 1 millimeter wire would be fine. And that's how I crochet around a wire and into 2 layers of crochet work, but you can do that through just 1 layer of crochet work and not 2 layers. I would do the same thing. I would insert my hook into the next available stitch under the wire, yarn over, pull up, yarn over and pull through, and that can work along just 1 layer. It just so happens that I require 2 at this time. So that's how to crochet around a wire. I hope that helps.